Welcome to the AIpreneur, your go-to source for the latest in artificial intelligence. We have some really exciting developments happening in AI today. First, big news from OpenAI, like really big news. The company behind ChatGPT finally announced its AI agent, Operator. We're talking an AI that can browse websites, click buttons, fill out forms, and do things like find an in-network healthcare provider, instead of just generating words and images. What's cool is that you can watch Operator work in real time, visiting sites, clicking links, and taking care of your to-do list. This is a big leap because it doesn't require complex API setups or specific automation, and already works with some big names like DoorDash for food delivery, OpenTable for restaurant bookings, and even Uber for rides. Right now, it's only available to pro users in the US who are willing to shell out $200 a month, but OpenAI says they're planning to roll it out to more users soon. The really impressive part is how it can handle complex tasks like finding a specific type of hotel room or ordering groceries from your favorite store. We're finally starting to see AI actually do things instead of just chatting with us. It's a big step toward those sci-fi futures we've all dreamed about, where computers can just handle our everyday tasks while we focus on more important things. Talk about perfect timing. Just as OpenAI drops Operator, Perplexity comes out swinging with their own AI assistant for Android phones. What makes this assistant unique is that it's built right into your Android apps. That's right, while OpenAI is asking for $200 a month, Perplexity is letting anyone with an Android phone get in on the action. This new assistant is pretty impressive as it can see what's on your screen, handle all sorts of tasks, and even use your phone's camera. Want to play a song on Spotify? Done. Need to draft an email? No problem. Looking to book a ride or set a reminder? It's got you covered. And get this, it works in 15 different languages, from English to Hindi to Korean. This really changes the way we think about AI assistants. Instead of being locked into one company's ecosystem, we might soon be choosing our AI assistants based on which ones work best with our favorite brands and services. Now for some AI predictions. Meta's AI chief scientist Yann LeCun just dropped some mind-blowing predictions about where AI is headed. And honestly, it might not be what you'd expect. Speaking at Davos, he made a bold claim that the AI tech we're all excited about right now, the large language models like ChatGPT and Gemini and all the generative AI stuff, might be old news in just 3 to 5 years. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. LeCun thinks our current AI systems are actually pretty limited. Sure, they can chat with us and create content, but they're missing some crucial pieces. They don't really understand how the physical world works. They can't remember things long-term, they struggle with basic reasoning, and they're not great at planning complex tasks. He's predicting what he calls a new paradigm of AI architectures that'll be totally different from what we're using now. Before we close, today's AI tool to try is AI Lawyer, an AI legal assistant that can draft legal documents, summarize case files, and break down complex legal language into plain, simple terms. Link to try in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to the AIpreneur. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll catch you next week with more fascinating developments from the world of artificial intelligence.